In this tutorial, I am going to solve this indentation error, unexpected indent. Basically, as you can see, there is a message file code playground python project line 8 return render request index.html context. So actually, what kind of error is showing in here? We don't know. But if you understand the code language, as you can see, there is a word called indent. Basically, there is a indentation problem. So as you can see, there is a red mark before our return text. If I remove this space and fix this indentation issue, as you can see, the red mark is gone. And if I save this and run this, the code will be perfect and it will work like a charm. As you can see, it's working perfectly. I hope you understand the indentation error and you will not face this problem in the future if you watch this tutorial completely. Make sure to subscribe my channel for latest Python related tutorial. Till then, have a nice day.